Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we're going to learn the importance of knowing our math facts. I'm talking about addition right now, but there's also subtraction, multiplication, and division. Those are coming up, and we're going to learn them all using flashcards. So let's get started. The first thing is, you need to know all of them. Look at that airplane over there. It's about to land. And suppose you're flying in that airplane and the pilot comes on and says, "Ladies and gentlemen, I have some good news to tell you. I just passed my proficiency exam on this aircraft and I got a 99% on landings, which means I can land this aircraft safely 99 times out of 100. I don't know about you, but that wouldn't sit too well with me. The fact is, a pilot has to be able to land the aircraft 100% of the time. And anything less than that isn't acceptable. The same thing is true with flashcards. You have to know them all. 99 out of 100 just isn't good enough. In an algebra problem, you might be faced with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 math facts to solve the problem. And if you miss only one of them, you get the wrong answer. So you really need to know each and every one of them. Okay, the next thing is you have to be quick. You can't hesitate on your flashcards. You have to know them right away. That's really important because this saves you time. So you can't play mind games and figure them out and all that stuff. You just need to know the answer right away. And you know what? I'm hungry. And I might not have a PhD in math, but I know enough to have one in junk food. And I'm going to get some Pirate's Booty here. These are like corn and rice curls with aged cheddar cheese on them. They're really good. Pour out a bowl here. That's it. I dropped a few. Let me get them real quick. You have to pick them up quick, right? Because it's called the 3-second rule or the 5-second rule. Can't hurt you if you pick it up right away. I don't know if that's true or not. I heard that somewhere that there's some truth to it, but I don't think they're gonna hurt me. I don't think I'm gonna be hurt by eating a few off the floor. Anyway, just like you have to pick them up quickly off the floor, you have to know your math facts quickly, without hesitation. Okay, a final thought about math facts. If you have to guess, if you aren't sure, you just don't know the math fact. Regardless of whether you got it right or wrong, you have to be sure. Here's a pilot about to land an airplane. He sees the runway, but something isn't right. In this case, I think it was an unexpected tailwind, so he wasn't sure whether he could land the plane safely, and he chose to do a go-around. This happened to me on a flight. The pilot came on and explained that the conditions weren't right to land and it's his job to make these judgments, and he chose to do a go-around. You have to be sure. He wasn't going to guess whether he could land the plane safely, so he waited until he was sure. Here he is coming in again. The conditions are right. It's safe. And he lands the plane. And even if it's a correct guess, you have to be sure. So don't guess on your math facts, and as I've said before, you have to know them all and know them quickly. In other words, when it comes to flashcards and math facts, don't be shaky. Shaky, shaky. Is that how you spell it? I think it's spelled without an E. I think that spelling is a little shaky, but it might be an alternate spelling. I think it is. That reminds me, that word, shaky, shaky. Yeah, it's that commercial. Do you remember that commercial? Oh, I found it. Here it is.
I'm a random windstorm. Shaky. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky.
Yeah, that's the commercial. That's funny, right? We don't want stormy weather, do we? We want smooth sailing. Okay, we took a break in this video. We had a little bit of fun, and it's okay to be silly sometimes, so let's move on. And in the next video, we'll see how to use flashcards to know all of our math facts quickly without guessing. Here are the brief summary notes. I don't think you need to stop the video and copy them down. See you soon. Take care, everybody.